Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing wonderful, alhamdulillah. Excuse the noise in the background because there's a lot of people at home. So what I have for you today, guys, is actually a kind of a vlog. You know, I'm gonna take you with me. We're going to the supermarket. I'm gonna buy some things and then I'm gonna come back home and I'm gonna show you what I'm about to bake or cook. It's actually a baking, but there's no bake in it as well because you don't put it in the oven. Cooks a lot of good food, mashallah. And yeah, so I'm gonna tag her in the link below, inshallah, because this is actually from her. I was inspired by her and I actually asked for permission as well. Because I feel like if you're doing something that is not originally from you, you know, I have to give credit to the people who actually came up with the things. And what I'm about to do today is I'm just gonna tell them. I'm just gonna tell them. Should I? You know, I'm gonna let her anyways. We have halwa today, so we're gonna do a cheesecake. Guys, listen. We're gonna do cheesecake made out of halwa. That sounds mind-blowing, sah? Mind-blowing, actually. So that's what I wanted to try today, and I'm gonna put that in the description down below, inshallah. So you're gonna check up her Instagram, Snapchat, mashallah. She cooks, she bakes amazing stuff, guys. So this is the first thing I'm gonna try out from her, you know, from Aida then Aida. So halwa or cheesecake laga sameeya rabnaa. Tune up. We're going out now, guys. But my hijab, I went with a colorful hijab because, you know, if you're wearing all black, you need something to balance out that blackness in it. So this is the hijab I'm wearing, guys. Thank you, honey. So what we're doing now, we are going to the store. I need to buy some cream cheese and whipped cream as well, because I have the halwa and some biscuits, you know, for the hees khatar ee oo Soomaaliya ku dhufan ku dhahayno ku dhufo madam dibto ilo dinade twende Zanzibar Komoro Mombasa tucheze Somali kwa maji ya madafu yendo kocha ananipanda kwa mabarafu maajabu maajabu penzi lake la ajabu gelise mangina qulubtu waan ka jeclay qalbiga xumahaygu qalbiga ku tago jirka xubinu kaco xusuustada qalbiga soo wada xaadirto xasilay goortaan ku helay no music. What was that? Adigo at migo, exoneya melde, abakuwa babio, waliba kuwalaynaya. It's okay. And then whipped cream, I think, and then unsweetened butter. You put the cheesecake in, you can just remove the top part. I think a lot of you guys are watching that. So guys, the thing is, it took actually some time. I'm back after a few hours. I had to do a couple of things before actually starting with the halwa cheesecake. I was doing, you know, we have some guests over, so I kind of made dinner, making something. Not only that, guys, you know what I'm doing actually in person? I'm making some chicken stew, and then we have some macaroons, pasta. So guys, I'm just going to go and eat some dinner and then I'll be back and continue this. So see you soon. I'm back to actually finish my halwa, my cheesecake halwa, after a few hours. And we ate, I was with my cousins, and you know, just having some fun. So now I'm just gonna go and whip together cheese. So she's mixing the cream cheese together with the milk, Nestle milk. So she's mixing those together. This is the cream cheese halwa, and this is going to go into the freezer for a couple hours. No, not a couple hours, till tomorrow inshallah. So we're gonna have this for asriya tomorrow, you know, to get with qahwa and all that good stuff. So, and when everyone is tasting it tomorrow, I think I'm gonna record and see their reaction inshallah, and I'm gonna record my reaction to it as well. But honestly, it does look good, and I hope that it tastes as good as it looks, inshallah. This is like kind of low at the moment. I'm a bit tired, but I will end this video here and talk to you tomorrow, inshallah.